What would you do if the taps ran dry tomorrow? Have you ever thought about how crucial water storage is in a global apocalypse scenario? Water, the lifeblood of our existence, is vital for our survival. When calamities strike, clean water supplies can be severely impacted, making water storage an indispensable part of our survival strategy. Imagine this. The average person requires about a gallon of water per day to meet their basic needs. This includes drinking, cooking, and maintaining hygiene. But what happens when the climate turns harsh or physical activity intensifies or health conditions change? That gallon could easily double or even triple. But let's not forget, storing water isn't just about survival, it's also about maintaining a sense of normalcy during abnormal times. It's about ensuring that we can continue to cook our meals, clean our homes, and stay hydrated. Without water, survival is impossible. So, having a water storage plan is not a choice, it's a necessity. Now that you understand the importance of water storage, let's delve into the most effective water storage methods. One of the simplest ways is to store tap water in safe, food-grade containers. These are easily accessible and cost-effective. Make sure the containers are clean and tightly sealed to prevent contamination. Another option is purchasing commercially bottled water. It has a longer shelf life and is already purified, so it's ready to drink. However, it can be more expensive and less environmentally friendly. For larger quantities, you might consider water storage tanks or barrels. These are great for long-term storage but require more space and initial investment. Regardless of the method you choose, it's crucial to rotate your stored water regularly to keep it fresh. Stagnant water can breed bacteria over time, so frequent rotation is essential. Remember, your water storage method could mean the difference between life and death in a survival situation. Having a water storage plan is a great start, but what happens when your stored water runs out or gets contaminated? That's where water purification comes in. This process is essential to remove harmful contaminants from water, making it safe to drink. There are a variety of methods to achieve this. Boiling water is one of the most reliable ways to kill bacteria and parasites. However, it doesn't remove chemicals or improve taste. Disinfection with bleach is another option. It's effective against many pathogens but may not kill all, and it also doesn't remove chemicals. Water purification tablets are compact and easy to use, killing most bacteria and viruses, but they may leave an unpleasant taste. Water filters are a more advanced solution, removing bacteria, viruses, and often chemicals too, providing the best tasting purified water. Remember, each method has its strengths and weaknesses. Your choice should depend on your situation and available resources. Water purification is your safety net when clean water supplies run low. It's as important as your water storage plan. In a world where clean water is not a guarantee, understanding water storage and purification can be your lifeline. We've delved into the nitty-gritty of water storage and purification, a crucial understanding in a global apocalypse scenario. Remember, the rule of thumb is to store at least 1 gallon of water per person per day. This will cater to your drinking, cooking, and sanitation needs. It's not just about storing water, but also about maintaining its quality. Hence, regular rotation of your stored water is essential. We also explored the various storage methods, from containers to water storage tanks, each with their unique advantages. Choose your method based on your specific circumstances and needs. Finally, we discussed the significance of water purification. Whether it's boiling using purification tablets or a portable water filter, each method ensures you have safe, drinkable water. In the face of a global apocalypse, water is your most precious resource. Plan wisely and stay prepared.